Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So we are at Dollar General. We have been at Dollar General a lot lately and we are back again. Today we are going to be getting into a gain deal. So we have a brand new 5 off of 20 gain digital coupon that was just added to our accounts that we are going to use today. And you can do this deal now or any day during the week, or you can wait to add it into a 5 off of 25 scenario. I know some of you guys like to shop early, so I am going to give you a breakdown that you can go on ahead and go to the store and do now if you want to go on ahead and get your gain deal out of the way. So let's get started on this deal. So the first thing we are going to get is one of the 26 count gain flings. I am going to be using a $2 off digital coupon on this, and this digital coupon that I'm going to be using is no longer available, but if you don't have it, you can substitute with a paper coupon if you would like to. The next thing we're going to grab is one of the Gain fabric softener items. So you can get one of the 105 count dryer sheets. You can get one of the liquid if you prefer, or you can get the fireworks. So these are all $3.95. We're going to be using our $2 off digital coupon. The next thing we're going to be grabbing is 2 of the Gain liquid laundry detergent. So these are on sale for $3.95 this week, and we have a $2 off of 1 digital coupon. And then the last item on our list is going to be one of the 34 count Gain dryer sheets. These are $2. We will not be using a coupon on this item. Now this Gain Digital is a little unique in the fact that it is not attaching to all of the normal products that it normally attaches to. So things like these Febreze wax melts that we used to be able to pick up with the Gain coupon, you cannot. So be sure to scan everything that you are picking up to make sure it is included in this 5 off of 20 coupon. So here is our complete Gain deal. So this is $20.80 worth of Gain products. So that qualifies us to use our brand new 5 off of 20 Gain coupon. So for the laundry items, let's go over the coupons that we are going to use. So for the Gain fireworks or whatever fabric softener item you would like to pick, we're going to use that $2 off digital coupon. For the first Gain detergent, we are also going to use a $2 off digital coupon. For the big bag of Gain flings, this is a 26 count bag of Gain flings. We are going to use a $2 digital coupon. And then for the second laundry detergent, we are going to use a $2 paper coupon that I have from the July P&G. So we're just going to use one paper coupon in this deal. And then for the 34 count dryer sheets, those are $2. We will not be using any coupon. So this is $20.80. We're going to save $5 from the 5 off of 20, and then we're going to save $8 from our digital and our paper coupon. So that's going to bring our total down to $7.80 for all 5 items, which is already a good deal. But you guys know I'm about that overage life, so we're also going to add in a couple items that are going to give us some overage. I grabbed 2 of the Welch's fruit snacks that you can find up by the cash register. Those are 33 cents each, and we have $1 off 2 digital. That gives us about 33 cents in overage. And then I grabbed another one of the big Simply Soleil razors. Those are $3.30. I'm going to be using the $4 digital that makes those free, plus 70 cents in overage. So that should knock off about $1 from our Gain total. The Welch's and the Bic are completely optional. You definitely don't have to add those items into this deal in order for it to work. That will just reduce your out-of-pocket by $1. So since we're going to save an additional $1, I'm thinking our total should be around $6.80 for all of these items, which I think is fantastic. So let's go up to the front and check out and see how this deal works. Oh, and something else I forgot before we check out. It is super important that you scan your bag of Gain flings first. So because we have some digitals on our account that will attach to multiple items, including the Gain flings, so like the digital that we want to use for the detergent would also work for the flings, we want to make sure that we scan the Gain flings first to make sure that that $2 Gain fling digital attaches to the right product. All right, you guys, so I am back at home, and as you can tell, that plan worked out perfectly and everything worked out well. So I want to let you guys know before we review my receipt, just a couple other options that you have for this deal. So first is, if you want to wait till Saturday to run this deal, which I would actually recommend because this deal will be fantastic on Saturday. The only update or change that you would have to make to this transaction is picking up 3 of the Welch's fruit snacks instead of 2. So you pick up 3 of the Welch's fruit snacks, your total will be right over $25. And if the 5 off of 20 works with our 5 off of 30 did in the past, hopefully, fingers crossed that it will. Of course, I haven't tested it since it just came out, but if those two are combining and it combines with that 5 off of 25, then the total for this transaction with 3 Welch's fruit snacks, the Big Simply Soleil, and then all 5 of these gain items would be just $2, y'all. $2 for all of these items, and one of my Welch's is missing because I ate it on the way home, if you're wondering where my second one is. But yeah, so this will be a $2 deal on Saturday if those two things are combining. So if you have a little patience and you can wait, I would wait. And another option is if you have a 3 off of 15 coupon. It is the beginning of the month, so you want to check your account to see if you got a 3 off of 15, because if you did, you can add that into this deal. You do not have to change anything about the deal with the 3 off of 15, and your total will be $3 cheaper than mine at just $3.78 for all of these items. So if you have a 3 off of 15, go on ahead and make it do what it do. I do think that the deals are combining with the 3 off of 15 because I've seen other people go on ahead and do them already. So here is a close-up of my receipt. So there is the Gain Flings, there is our Welch's fruit snacks, and of course we had her scan that Gain Flings first with the $2 digital. Our Welch's gave us a little overage there. There's our Big Simply Soleil razor with more overage there. Our fireworks with the $2 digital, our Gain liquid with the $2 digital, our second Gain liquid with the $2 paper coupon, and then our Gain sheets with no coupon. Our subtotal came up to $6.78. We had a total savings of $18 on this deal. So I will take that all day for all of these items, especially considering that this is $6.95 alone. So as always, I thank you so much for watching. I hope this deal was helpful for you. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I would love to have you. I will talk to you all soon. Bye, you guys.